Every day, millions of people dream of becoming rich, but most never learn the rules that actually create wealth. He believed that earning more money would solve every problem, like everyone else. He worked hard, but money always disappeared. Every paycheck felt the same. Bills came first, and his money disappeared within days. Then came another shopping trip for things he didn't really need. The excitement lasted only a few hours, but the money was gone. Month after month, nothing changed. He worked harder, but his bank balance stayed the same. He finally asked himself, "Why am I still broke?" The answer came from someone he never expected to meet. The old man smiled, as if he already knew the problem. He didn't talk about earning more. He talked about changing habits. One sentence changed everything. Money doesn't change lives. The right habits do. And that's where his journey truly began. Rule number one, pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save what's left. Successful people do the opposite. Even saving a small amount every month creates a powerful habit. Weeks passed, and for the first time, his savings began to grow. One simple habit gave him something he never had before: financial control. Rule number two, stop buying to impress other people. Most people spend money they don't have to impress people who don't care. Real wealth isn't shown, it's built quietly. Instead of buying another expensive gadget, he invested in himself. That single decision became the beginning of a completely different future. Months passed, and his habits slowly began to change his life. For the first time, he had money left after paying every bill. But his mentor gave him one more challenge. Saving money is only the beginning. Now it's time to make it grow. Rule number three, make your money work for you. Most people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. Instead of spending every extra dollar, he began investing wisely, slowly. His money started growing, even while he was sleeping. That was the moment he understood. Money is a tool, not the goal. Rule number four, never stop learning. The richest investment isn't money. It's the knowledge inside your mind. Every new skill makes you stronger and creates new opportunities. He stopped wasting hours on entertainment and started investing in himself. Every lesson he learned brought him one step closer to success. Soon, his knowledge began to stand out where others stayed average. His hard work and new skills finally earned the recognition he deserved. More knowledge created more confidence, and confidence opened bigger doors. The student had become someone others wanted to learn from. Knowledge changed his future forever, but one final money rule would protect everything he had built. Rule number five, avoid bad debt. A credit card can be a useful tool, but used carelessly, it becomes a financial trap. He learned the difference between good debt that builds assets and bad debt that buys liabilities. Before buying anything, he asked one simple question: do I really need this? Every smart decision protected his future, one purchase at a time. He stopped chasing a rich lifestyle and started building real wealth. His emergency savings kept growing, giving him peace of mind. Without bad debt, every paycheck brought him closer to freedom. Money was no longer controlling his life. He was controlling his money. By following these 5 money rules, he had transformed not only his finances, but his entire future. Years later, his life looked completely different. Not because he earned more, but because he made better decisions. He no longer worried about every paycheck. His money had finally started working for his future. Real wealth isn't about expensive cars or luxury clothes. It's about freedom, security, and peace of mind. Everything changed because he followed 5 simple rules every single day. Remember, money doesn't change lives. Habits do. Start with just one rule today, and your future self will thank you.